Hi guys, welcome back. So my last try was a big fail. I tried some IKEA paints and I tried them in a spiral flower dip, reverse dip, and that didn't really work out because the paints were too thick. So I was thinking maybe because I don't want to mess with the paints and try and make a feather out of it. So I've got a little cup and I'm gonna fill it up. Okay, and I'm gonna start pour or layering the opposite way. So I want to finish with the white and then have the blue. So I put 2 layers of the colors and I'm just hoping that they want to come out the cup. See how thick it is? It's just staying. Let's see what we can do. Let's play with it a bit. I've got this tool, I've got some comb thingy. It's for cakes. I've got a set of 3. So these 2 are just regular and I've got this one. So let's see if I can just like lightly make some edges. Oh, that's cute. So here's my attempt to make a feather. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.